Nudie! Holy freezing. I was like, yo, let's get up 6:30 today. Nah, holy cold. Anyway, we're up now, had some coffee, ready to go. Just got some information that it's gonna be like a 3-hour walk or some shit, 4-hour walk there up and down to go to the Dolomites, or it's like a fucking 45-minute, €45 tram up there. So I think we're just gonna send it and walk it because fuck, spending €45. Yeah, Ravdog on the walks today. I'm gonna take a poo. Well, find a place to take a poo and then yeah, make some breakfast somewhere in the sun hopefully, and then we'll start this video.
Nothing Ravdogslife, baby.
But so first, we just got stopped by, I'm guessing that's police. Just took our identification and our passport. Let's go see what they come out with it. Gee, holy dodgy. Ooh. So Ravdog almost lost his license. That would have been fucked. Imagine if they took my license away, I would have been fucked. All the way in Italy, can't go nowhere. Holy shit. Well, anyway, yeah, so they just found the mushrooms and they were like fucking illegal, and we just kind of played dumb. Like, well, what do you mean? Like, we bought them commercially, like we bought them at a shop. Like, why wouldn't we be allowed to have them, pretty much? And they were like, oh, you're lucky, we have good cop, we're good people. And then next minute he's like, oh, well, we're gonna flush you. Took me to the toilet. That's the guy that,
Wait.
the guy that I was just walking with behind, whatever, him.
Can you go that way?
He just took me to the toilet, flushed him down the toilet, and then was like, just don't do this again. I was like, okay. But fuck, it was dodgy cars. Right, see, it turns out we were wrong. We were wrong. Apparently, it's we thought that since, like, you know, like, if you buy it illegally, since it's all been tested and, like, you know, fucking gone through all the laws, whatever, it's all commercially out there, that would legally be able to have it on us, you know, because it's like not like it's fucking, it's gonna kill us. Like, it's all been tested, it's all.
But we bought it legally.
Like, made, yeah, we bought it legally,
so
bought it at a shop.
Legally consumed,
right? Right? No. No. In fact, no, not in Italy.
Not
in Italy.
I think nowhere else but Amsterdam.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, now that we know that, probably won't do that again. Yeah. Probably won't be doing that again. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really probably think about it, Like, there's another cop. Hello. Yeah, I didn't even probably think about it, But yeah, you should probably hide the hot ones. I don't really think that was illegal, but apparently it was. So anyway, I don't think we're gonna do this walk anymore. Kind of just killed our mood.
We were there for like an hour.
Yo, the bro was absolutely searching.
They were still all good though.
Yo, mega nice cops. Yo,
they just fucking, like threw it away.
Yeah, they understood like our perspective. Like, you know, we bought it legally. Like, we're fucking from foreigners. We're just traveling. You know, like they were just like, alright. But they were like, if you ran into any other cops, like, you're lucky you ran into us, pretty much. Like, yo, any other cops would have taken my license off straight away. And like, fuck, imagine if I lost my license. You don't know how to drive manual. Don't even really have your like, you do, but like, you don't have your, I don't know. That would have been ruthless cars. That would have been so not good. All the way in Italy. How far away is the drive that is from fucking Amsterdam? Probably like 9 hours or some shit. I don't know, 10 hours. Cars. That would not have been good cars. Anyway, I'll update you what we do.
Oh shit. Isn't it just?
Really nice cars. If you take some mushrooms and enjoy.
Oh, imagine.
Fuck.
This would have been the best spot.
Yo, straight up, like staring at that fucking mountain, just wasn't breathing you, or. Check this out. If we ain't walking it, we're definitely stopping and looking at it. How sick for us. Weapon cars. Little house down there. Little pond. Gangster little house. Fuck, that's so sick. Fuck. Snow or... Alright, we stopped to get a pack of smokes and then we're gonna keep travelling on. It's basically like, yo, just went slow to the mountains, enjoyed some of the views. Yeah, that cop stop kind of like put us a bit behind and yeah, we kind of lost the energy a bit. But yeah, so we're just heading to some lake. It's like 3 hours drive, it's quite far. But yeah, I'll just update you when I think I need to update you or when there's anything cool. Yeah. Right, I just like came down here and seen this. I was like, I want to get up there. I parked down there, realised I could have parked up here, but dead or want to my truck to you? Hey, I know I want to keep walking or have a good look see what's up here or pretty gangster or wow or definitely just doing some fucking poison ivy, but that shit stings, cars. Anyway. That's pretty cool, cause. Not as many like Porsches and shit that I'd imagine to be seeing, eh? Like not that many like mega ultra mega flash cars. Like there's a couple like nice what do you call it, like at all the bars and stuff there's some nice cars parked up, but and here. Okay, apparently this is where we're gonna be able to stay tonight.
Or just eat for the meantime.
Okay, or eat for the meantime.
For free. No pay. We no pay, no park.
Okay, we allowed to go there?
Yeah, what do you want?
No, into the grass.
Don't think so.
But there's a pathway
maybe.
into there though, like, yeah, like
Yes,
this.
we can.
Maybe, huh?
Who says we can?
Maybe, huh? I wanna go in the shade. Who's parked up here for a second? Oh, I gotta turn the lights off. Hey. I'm gonna cook some of those. I want one of these. I want one of these. I want one of these. Make me ham and cheese one of those. And then yeah, maybe go for a swim or something. It's pretty fucking hot, oh. It's pretty hot, oh. I'll update you once it's done. How do you feel? tried to mayo it down. I think it's helping.
It's really not.
Don't think it's helping. It still looks redder than a fucking Mun's Kante, so way better cold. But can you tell the smokes are cheap, or holy shit, or is this one open, or nah? What does this one open? Nah, that one's empty. What up, cause? We just had that quick munch, then we're gonna head down to the water. She's gonna try and find a shitter, and then go take a dip in this water, eh? It's fucking hot, man. I hadn't had to put sunblock on the dome because she's bloody hot. Like, look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna go up here. Wow. Just wow. Wow, cuz. Fucking wow, cuz. That's pretty clear, cuz. That's pretty clear, cuz. Wow. So we're just gonna go for a swim here, and then I'll update you once it's cooled down a bit and I can use my head. Wow. Wow. Jealous. So jealous. The bros on. The bros are on. It's so sick that you can actually start to see through all the water. They're probably looking at fish, being like, yo, there's fish here, cause where how long their rods are too. It's so like long and pointy, yeah, yo. Super long. The hell? Anyway, we've just been chilling out here. Had a swim in that and skimming some rocks. I don't really know. Pretty boring. I know you guys don't really like this content, but again, it's just a day in my life, so I don't really care. You know, it's more or less I want to see this shit when I'm like fucking 50 with my kids, you know? It's all memories, baby. It's all fucking memories. Yeah. Cause I want to ride so badly. Like, actually so badly want to ride, eh? I'm upset. I can't throw a rig and catch these things. I don't even know what they are. Don't even know what they are. That's crazy. I don't know. I'll probably go now, I guess. Alright, well, I think we just found somewhere to sleep. Might move the car into here. Hey, a shelter go in that corner or something. But yeah, pretty much. Probably gonna sleep here tonight. I think I'm gonna stay in the week, eh? I think I'm gonna stay in the week and I'll finish this fucking video off. Alright, you people. Who do I come to the fucking dock to finish the fucking video, eh? Wow, cuz. Wow, there's still people over there, cuz. Anyway, ooh. Missing some slides, or... Anyway, where are we going? I can't really think of one, but one of you fellas talked to me and said something that's kept him going kind of thing is keep on keeping going. And what I mean by that, I guess, is whatever you're doing, keep on keeping. Keep on doing it. Like, and remember, like, you're never alone. Remember, you're never alone. Like, yeah, I don't even know. Just keep on keeping on, people. And make sure if you can make anyone else around you keep on keeping on, keep fucking doing it. Keep on keeping on, baby. It's a new fucking day. Yeah. No, they ain't Ravdogslife.